Hey walkers, it's Mike here from Living Walks. We're here in Santa Cruz La Palma in the Canary Islands. It's an amazing town, small in size, big in beauty. Stay with us to the end, you are going to like this. The capital here is famous for its balconies. And if you love balconies, if you collect DVDs of balconies, if you subscribe to Balcony World, this is a video for you. So these balconies are in the typical Canarian style. If you've seen any of our other videos in the Canaries, you'll recognize the similar sorts of balconies, similar sorts of construction. Here, one of the things that is a little unusual is some of the balconies have been partly filled in or enclosed. Let's have a look over the sea, by the way. There is the sea. Have a look. See how it glistens? Beckoningly, luring us to watery splendors. Here, in balcony land, that's where we are. Look up there. That is one big balcony. What could you do on that balcony? Well, I suppose you could do on that balcony what you could do on a smaller balcony, but you could do it many times over. Or you could have all your friends around. The top balcony entertainment. So as I said, some of these balconies are partly filled in, and we'll see those just a little further on. Why would you partly enclose an outside balcony? So if you're in a cold country, like us, the natural thing to do is, of course, we just create another room. And we can sit out there, we can squeeze ourselves, even though we've got 150 meters of usable space in the apartment, we'll squeeze ourselves happily onto a tiny 2 meters of space if it's got light on a balcony and a view. Here though, in La Palma, a little bit more practical. In fact, actually it gets pretty warm here. It's 25 today. I won't say what it is at home in the UK, but it's a lot less. There we are. So this one's enclosed. In fact, all these ones have a little enclosed area. What do you think it is? Well, they are toilets. Hurrah. Now maybe in days gone past, I don't know, would there have been a hole underneath them? That might sound pretty horrible, and I'm only guessing here, of course. I'm just using my vast intellect to make some assumptions here. But of course, you know, think about the Middle Ages in UK, and didn't really have toilets. So once you were finished with your business, out it went, out the window. Watch out below. It's often why I guess ladies had very tall shoes. I think the phrase putting someone on a pedestal also comes from that. Basically, pedestals I think were very tall shoes, so you could wade through the human muck. I didn't really think we were going to talk about this subject, and there's all these nice people here trying to have a nice glass of local beer, hearing me talk about bodily fluids. Small balconies. A little bit more modern, these ones. Bib cafe. So if you get the option to come here, even if it's a ferry trip from one of the other islands, or it's just a day trip on a boat, do get off and have a little walk around here. Okay, don't just stay on the boat. It's only a kilometre's walk here. Have a look around the town. I think you're really going to like it.